Guys, actually, this is my first time tasting Korean ginseng, Korean red ginseng for 6 years. And kasi binuksan ko na yung taas niya, so bukas na yan siya. Pero I never tasted pa. I just realized na I just need to turn on the camera so that, this is my first time, so tingnan natin kung ignorante tayo. Pero as for the amoy, hindi siya mabango. Baho niya, bay. Pero nakalagay 6 years Korean red ginseng, ginseng extract everyday 100, 15 grams ang net weight niya. And then try kong basahin na Jejuwon Koryoje Wonsan Panewon. I don't know. I can just read, but I don't know. I can't understand this. Can't understand it yet. Koryo Samjong. 6 년근. 6 years yan. Nyon years. Epiridi. Every day. Koryohon Samjong. Koryohon Samjong. So probably that's Korean red ginseng. Koryo. That's Korean. Nyon 6 years. So I think 6 years kun. 6 nyon kun. What is 6 in Hangul? Teka lang. May meeting na pala ako. Ito na, papasok na. Huh? Wait lang. Hello. Okay, nasa meeting na ako. Tingnan nyo naman. Wow! Nasa meeting ako, and then iba yung lasa niya. Hindi pa rin ako nasanay, pero it's not way too weird din naman. It's just that para siyang kahoy na ewan. Pero at least diba kung ito yung Korean ginseng, yun okay na rin. Pero siyang kahoy na ewan.